The ingredients are chicken breast, chopped onion, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 5 sticks of chopped celery, noodle sticks, chicken stock, about 4 cups, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's get started. In a heated pan, add olive oil. Now add your chopped onions. Mix. When your onion is soft, add salt and pepper. Mix. The onion is soft. Add your vegetables. Mix. Now add your chicken stock. Your chicken breast. Add your noodles. Stir well. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Take out the chicken breast. Before serving, take out your chicken and cut it into cubes. And pour it back into your soup. After done that, your soup is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. How is it?
Good.